Very good morning, friends. I've tried to analyze the market in terms of market cycle and also degree of angle. See, I've cloned the protractors to make the circle and I applied this image on the chart. So this is the image I got generated with the AI. No, it is not possible. Let me clone this and show it to you. So this is the image has been generated with the help of my off-angle circle. I asked AI to generate the full circle. So there is a gap in between that indicates the structure, actually market structure. I'm not going to take the pointer over there. Just look at the market here. What can happen in the market is the support is around 23,380. And another support is around 23,301. If it is slightly dips below 23,380, it can go up to 350, 360, you can give margin. So when the market directly, it should not pop up, gap up, or bounce. If it gaps down, the continuation of the trend, yesterday's trend, if it continues down around 9:15 a.m. first candle, it may try to bounce up. Then after the bounce up to a certain level, it has to come back as in the picture here. See, if it comes down and if it starts, it may make a local high around 11:50 and then it makes a higher low around 3:15, 150, and if it starts moving higher and closes higher, then there is chance of market reversing to the upside and making a low. This was the peak high and a low can be made since it will hold the trend. If it starts breaking below these levels, so another leg of, it will open for another leg of down move. At present, if it takes, so today's trade can be like this, around 9:15, it can dip down and it can bounce up to this level. And then if it makes a higher low, then a trend structure may be developed and 23,586 will act as the support, resistance. And 23,586 to 23,636 may act as resistance for the market. So today it is very crucial because market has moved higher from this base. So there is an imbalance in this area, So market may fill that gap imbalance to balance it out at the level of 23,380 to 23,354. If I bring this, let me put an horizontal line over here. Then you will get the level 23,329 to 350. The market can find a support over there. If it takes that support within first hour and bounces, if it starts bouncing and makes a higher low around 115 or something, market can trend towards you can get a trendy move towards the upside in the market today. It should do at the first hour itself. It has to come around 23,380 to 354 or anything in between 301 to 380. And if it starts bouncing up and makes an higher low, a trend structure may be developed in the market. Market may start moving clockwise. With the time. So that will be a reversal trade you can take in the market. Initial dip has to come within 2 hours of the market open. Then you can anticipate for the trendy reversal move in the Nifty. This is the pattern what I've analyzed for that. If it doesn't do that, if it doesn't bounce, and if the trend starts continuing instead of this, if it starts moving like this, then another lower level can be seen in the market to 23,177 to 23,030. That it will open for another leg of down move in the market. So if I take this tool from here, let me change it to my range tool. If I do that, so exactly the 3-cycle down move comes around 23,308 to 23,274. Suppose if the market takes support around this area, that is very crucial, then the market can change its direction from the anti-clockwise to clockwise. So if it does, we can anticipate for the incoming days, market moving higher past the 23,800. It can advance towards 24,000 also. Now today's trade, it is very crucial. It should be like this. It should happen like this. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope I'm not complicating the things. Visually, I'm showing it to you what can happen in the market. See, these are the resistance boundaries. These are the immediate resistance boundaries. Market should not make a gap up. If it makes a gap up, that is, the sell-off will continue. So if it gaps down in the initial hour and takes support around this area, 23,380 to 301, if it takes support around this area, then it is a very good thing for the market. Market can reverse from anti-clockwise to clockwise direction, shift its movement to clockwise direction. If it does like that, today on Thursday, you can see some sort of up move in the market. You may get to buy call option anywhere between 11:15 to 10:15. You can make out within 1 hour the trend you can make out. If the trend doesn't establish within 1 hour, if it shows for the downside, the market may correct. So this is the bird view of what can happen in the market with the help of the angles. I have shown it to you. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.